In this video, you will see how to create premium forms and surveys like Typeform so that you can completely remove the dependency on these kind of software, rather build all of them inside HighLevel's AI Studio so that you can create these kind of stunning forms and surveys with interactive effects and smooth navigation for better UX and higher conversion. This is exactly how you will be able to see that how to create these kind of premium intake forms for clients, get their data inside high-level form submission, and create contact fields inside high-levels AI Studio. As you can see, these kind of form submissions are pretty amazing because you will be able to see all of these data inside your high-level CRM, and I'm going to give you the exact prompt that I used to create this particular survey form for absolutely free if you type prompt. High Level is giving away its 30-day free trial along with a live bootcamp and $10,000 of my bonuses with one-on-one coaching and a private community. All of that for absolutely free. Click on the link below in the description and enjoy a 30-day risk-free trial. If you're new inside High Level, want to explore as to how you can grow your high level business, the community link should be in the link and the description box. Make sure you click there and join a free and exclusive community for people like you. All right, let's get started. So as you can see, I'm currently inside the sub account here, and in order to create these kind of premium forms, what I'm going to do is I'm going to get inside AI Studio. So AI Studio should be here. It's still in beta. If you do not have access to it, just go to settings at the bottom and then scroll down. You'll be seeing something called as labs. Click on labs. This is where you have all the beta programs being available. Just write AI Studio and you should be able to see this particular one. Turn this on. As you can see in my case, it's already toggled on, and which is the reason why I'm able to see this. So if you haven't seen this, just turn this on and this should pop up automatically inside your left hand side bar just above AI agents. So click there, and this is exactly where we are going to use HighLevel's AI platform in order to generate premium custom forms and surveys, which will replace the quality of Typeform that people use in order to get premium experience of filling up their details. This also helps you get higher conversion, better user experience, and more details from your leads and customers. All right. So what I'm going to do in order to create, I'm not just going to write any random prompt, right, or random text. I'm going to write a very well structured, premium, designed prompt, which is I already have created here inside my prompt library. By the way, I provide all of these prompts for absolutely free. The only thing you have to do is you need to comment prompt. That's it. Comment prompt in the comment section of this video, and I'll be sharing this particular Google Doc link with you so you can just copy paste and deploy inside your AI Studio. All right. So without further ado, let's get started. Let me quickly show it to you as to how I created. So I'm just going to simply copy this entire thing, and this prompt is actually built for people in the insurance space, people where they want to have a survey, collect information, leads, right? So finance space, insurance space, all of that. You can always customize this in ChatGPT, but this is the framework that I've been using in order to get premium prompts done. So the only thing I'm going to do is I'm just simply going to copy this entire version. I'm going to make sure I remove the spacing. And as you can see, this is the prompt that I have added. This should be an interactive animated premium form that's going to be delivered. So and functional form as well. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just click on enter here, and this is going to do its job. It's going to take me into the interface where it builds with AI so that I can see as to what exactly it's doing. So high levels AI Studio is not just for building landing pages, websites, and all. It can also build these kind of forms, surveys, applications. All of this can be built. So we are completely going to replace tools like form generator or Typeform and all of that, and only use AI Studio and everything that high level has inbuilt AI systems in order to get the best possible quality. Right? As you can see, the moment I submit all of these details, it gets started, and this is exactly where you'll be able to see as to what exactly it's doing. So it thought of for around 16 seconds, and now it's using all kind of CSS, Tailwind, HTML in order to create me that form which I'm looking for. So it has multiple steps that it has allocated for himself, which is the first being set up design systems, create survey components, implement survey logic, build success screen, integrate from tracking. All of that is getting done. It also gives you the information as to what exactly it is doing in order to get the best possible results. So that's pretty great. And HighLevel's AI Studio has already introduced visual edits. So if we need to edit something visually by pointing it out, we can do that now with HighLevel's AI Studio, right? So that's a pretty good thing. So as you can see, it has already completed the setup design, create survey components. So all those components that are needed in order to get the input details have been completed now. It's now building survey logic in order to get to the next screens. So that's probably what it's doing. And in order to get exactly the code that it's kind of building now, we can just click on this particular arrow that it's already generating. And when you click on this arrow, you will be able to get into its, what I call as, editing's dashboard, where I will be able to see exactly what's editing along with the code that it's writing. And as you can see, this is how it creates everything, builds everything step by step, structure by step structure. So you do not have to do the heavy lifting. Rather, the AI does it for you, not in hours or weeks or months, in seconds, right? Not even minutes, it literally takes seconds. And that's exactly what's happening here. And as you can see, it's continue to let me really go back again and show it to you. It continues to write and edits and shows as to what are the changes that these are doing. And that's pretty great actually, because what I can do as of now is I can just look at it, and if I'm a developer, I know how things code, then I can get into, for example, I can get here and I can make any change here, and that possibility is going to be there, right? So that's pretty much what it's doing here. Let's wait. It's probably done. So most of 90% of the work is completed. Let's wait for a few details in order to get this. Okay. So it's getting ready now. It says the application is ready and the form tracking and the calendar integrations are signaled for when you provide the connection details. Let me know if you want to have any tweaks of these question styles or any other things, right? So integrating the form tracking. I don't think I can preview it now. Let's just wait for a few seconds in order to get this ready. Perfect. As you can see now, it says I have built a premium interactive insurance lead survey with smooth transition animated components and polished multi-step flow, right? Exactly what I asked it to do. The application collects user data and ends with an engaging success screen designed to drive conversions. That's exactly what I asked AI to do based on the prompt that I showed here. As you can see, this is the beautiful screen that it has provided. I can preview it here, but let me really preview it on the new tab here. And this is exactly what I see here. So it has the logo here, which I can make any changes of. It also shows the step here. This is probably the progress bar that it has designed, and it has a beautiful light effect that makes it look really neat, clean, and premium. And what type of coverage are you looking for? Select the option that fits your needs to get started. So for example, I'm looking for life insurance. So I'm going to click on life insurance. I can click on any of these that I want to. It has a beautiful hover effect on it. And the way it darkens up a bit, highlights a bit, and has a border around it, makes you feel that, okay, this AI knows how to have UI in order to have higher conversion. This is exactly what you're going to get when you're using software like Typeform, but now it's available inside AI Studio, probably at a fraction of cost, and you know everything is included in it, right? So let's click on life insurance here. The moment I click on life insurance, a few things happen. It comes to step 2 of step 6. Then the entire width here gets added here. So you'll be able to see the progress bar. And then it talks to you about what is your age range, right? This helps us find the most relevant. So all of this is there. By the way, you can also go back to the previous step if you want to. So the only way to proceed forward is to click any of these, which is, again, all of these are very, very interactive, very neat, clean, and very, very smooth. So I'm currently age 26 to 35, so I'm going to click on here. And as you can see, the progress bar, pushed forward. And here, what is your current coverage? I have no coverage right now, so let's click on I have no coverage here. Then what is your main goal or challenge? Finding the lowest price, getting the most comprehensive coverage, fast and easy process. Let's click on fast and easy process. And then how soon you need the coverage here? Immediately within 30 days, just browsing. Let's click on immediately, right? And then it has a few details. Now this is a very right step to do it. When you get all of this, click, 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 these kind of details in, and then you can ask the user to add the name, email, phone number. Then it makes more sense because since 90% of the work is already done, the chances of them filling up this form is significantly higher. Let me tell you that again. It's significantly higher. So that's the reason why you'll be able to see that. Okay, people are filling up this form, the conversion is going up. I didn't say this to the particular AI, but AI knows it very well. So yeah, kudos there. I'm going to ask a few details here. I'm going to write my email ID, stuff like that, my phone number, that's fine. And the zip code here, all of that is fine. Now I'll click on see my options. And as you can see, there's a confetti there. Beautiful animation. I really, really like it. And it says, congratulations, based on your answer, you qualify for several premium coverages. Coverage type live, priority speed, immediately. And here I can talk to an agent, I can click on a calendar, or I can add a phone number, whatever it is, connect with a licensed expert. So I can click on a calendar, phone, whatever it needs to, right? This is the entire thing that is there. And this is what it built. And this is very, very premium. Let me please see as to what kind of form submissions can I see and where exactly can I see them. Let's go back. We will go inside the regular dashboard of HighLevel platform. We're going to click on sites here, and then we're going to go to form submissions. Do you see that? It has build, analyze, and submission. We're going to click on form submission. Now, the moment we click on form submission, now do consider the fact that the form that we submitted is not an internal form. It is considered as an external form. So any form created inside HighLevel's AI Studio will be considered as an external form inside the HighLevel dashboard. All right, so that was a survey that AI Studio did. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to ask the AI Studio in order to connect this survey to our GoHighLevel CRM. Thanks for the survey that you have created. Make sure that the survey is connected to the GoHighLevel CRM. Make sure that all of these custom fields are created inside the CRM, and these custom fields needs to populate in the contact. So a contact needs to be created every time a form is submitted. The custom fields needs to be added to the CRM, and these submissions needs to show up inside the survey submission section. I mean, I don't not normally write all of this because it will take me a lot of time and I'm not good at typing. So probably what I'm going to do is I'm going to whisper it and it's going to do its job. So for this, I use Whisperflow. The link will be in the description box. It's a premium tool. It's an amazing tool. You can use it for free for many days, and then you can, if you want to, you can, subscribe to it. I already subscribed to it. It's pretty good because it kind of saves me a lot of time, especially when I'm always talking, writing, prompting, commenting on online, and I'm using that whether it's a desktop, whether it's a smartphone, whatever it is, it works like magic. So yeah, a good recommendation that you can think of using. Anyways, let me quickly enter that into the system and let me see as to what exactly HighLevel's AI Studio has to say about creating these kind of surveys into and connecting them to the HighLevel CRM. As you can see, now it prompts me in order to connect to the CRM. So I'm going to click on connect. So it's going to connect all the forms here to CRM tracking. And let me quickly see as to what exactly it's trying to do. So it's considering all available forms options, and now it's going to connect it to the HighLevel CRM. Right. So what you can see here is it asks me to integrate into the HighLevel CRM, and was able to connect the insurance survey form to the CRM system to track lead submission and all surveys into custom fields. And I'll just quickly give you a demo as to, so now I'm going to click on home insurance and I'm going to click on 2536. I'm going to click on, I want to add my current coverage, fast and easy process. I'm going to immediately, and then I'm going to give my name, write my email ID, and then, oh, this is fine. Let me click on see options, and amazing. Now let me quickly go back and let's go inside sites, and then let me quickly go inside form submissions. So in Go High Level, whenever you try to create a form or a survey inside High Level's AI Studio, it's going to be treated as an external form. Please keep that in mind. So you're going to have two types of form submissions: internal forms, external forms. So this is going to be an external form, and you should be able to see these contact info that got filled up. I already tested it once, so I'm going to test it twice, and I was able to see that it added all of these details inside the High Levels AI Studio. All that works fine. Let me please see as to if it created any kind of contacts or not. So it's probably going to spin up a while. It hasn't created any kind of contacts. However, it did find all of those uh, form submissions into the high level form, which is fine. I'm going to go back inside High Levels AI Studio and make sure that it needs registers all of the submissions as contact inside High Level CRM. As you have integrated the form submissions into High Level lead submissions, now make sure that all of these submissions create a contact inside High Level. So every submission needs to have its own contact, which gets added to the CRM. Make sure all of these custom fields are intact with its particular contact. Right. As you can see now, it says that I've correctly registered all contact all custom fields in the CRM and updated the form submission to the exact custom field generated by HighLevel. Um, Now, when a user submits a newly created contact profile in the CRM, so it's going to successfully do it. I've already submitted the details. Let me quickly see as to what exactly we get when we go inside our contacts. And if I click on contacts here, uh, sorry, it's calendars, contacts, and click on there, and it should populate particular contact. As you can see, a contact was populated here, right? So sometimes it glitches, so you have to prompt it 2 3 times in order to get it exactly, but it gets the job done, right? So it's going to create a beautiful high level form for you, and then it's going to connect it to your CRM, get all of the form submissions done, create custom fields, and can create a contact as well. All you need is the right prompt. So just in case you want this entire prompt, make sure you type prompt in the comment section, and you'll be able to get this for absolutely free. Hey, wait, are you somebody who wants to learn high level from scratch? Whether you are starting with high level and have no clue as to how you want to use this platform in order to grow your business, or somebody who's already been using high level for a while but is looking for mentorship, training, and coaching surrounded by community members which can help you grow, then High Level Lab is the perfect solution for your business. This is a private community designed by me based on my 5 years of experience with high level and 7 years of combined experience into the marketing space. However, the high level lab is free only for now. As you can see, after 500 members, I'm going to make this community paid. This is a one stop solution for you to get everything that you are looking for as a beginner as well as somebody who's already started using high level. Whether you're looking for free training, client acquisition strategies, automation workflow tutorials, or premium snapshot which you can import in your high level account in order to grow, this is the exact solution and exact community. I will have the link in the description box as well as in the comment section. Make sure you click on it and get access to the high level lab community.